Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime not working issue or keep crashing issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I will tell you how can you fix this issue. So guys, the very first thing is you have to just simply open App Store and here search for the FaceTime. And from here guys, you have here to update the FaceTime from here, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still here guys, then you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage and locate for the FaceTime app. And from here guys, you have to just simply offload the app and reinstall it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then the last solution is you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that you have to just simply press and hold the volume up and volume down button and press and hold the volume up hold the power button and press and hold the volume up and volume down button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.